Hello people, welcome. I know this was advertised to you as a 3-in-1 finance tracker, but I'm here to tell you it does way more than that. It doesn't just track your income, expense, and savings, it also tracks your investments. But that's crazy, right? So this is the dashboard, the first page you would get access to. So this income, expense, the balance after deducting your expense from your income. Track your savings, total investment you've invested in, and also the returns and the profit you made, basically. You also get these beautiful charts that displays it from January to December. This is for the investment. This is also for your financial summary, January to December. So like everything tracks automatically. By automatically, I mean automatically. The beautiful thing about it is you do not have to check this page at all. You don't have to edit anything at all in this dashboard. It's just displayed after filling in your details in the monthly tab. So quick one before we commence, right? If you run a business and would want something very personalized for your business, right, where you can be able to track your expenses, your client lists, your inventory, your staff, and even a sales receipt generator, your monthly revenue and all of that. If you want something specifically for your business, just send us a mail or send a message to us on WhatsApp or via the group chat whenever you are in. So let's get back to the video training. So January to December, you fill in your income, your expense, your savings, your investments, and it automatically displays in the dashboard. So you don't have to touch this place at all. And more than that, it also has a budget planner. Crazy, right? So you can get a salary, get income, whatever the amount is. Let's say you get paid 300,000 naira monthly as your income, right? You can take care of your basic needs first, right? Which would be your food, your rent. No, not rent. Rent, you probably are saving towards it. So your food, your transportation, your data, basic necessities. You give the amount for this item. So food in a month is like 50,000, right? Your transportation, another 30,000, and your data, probably 20,000, right? These are the amounts your total expenses will be table here. So you spend about 100,000 naira in a month on expenses. Now, what do you want to save the rest to, or what do you want to channel the remaining money? Because this is essentials that you cannot do without. Then the remaining money is the income you are distributing to other areas. Now, it has to be exactly 100% here. So what you do is you have a savings budget, an emergency budget, a debt payoff. That's if you have any debt. If you don't, you can change it to something else. You have a goal target, right? So 40% of 100,000 or 200,000, right? Income was 300, expense 100. What's remaining is 200. So you are dedicating 80,000 to savings. You can even put this as rent, right? You are saving 20% of your monthly salary as rent. So 40,000 naira a month will be saved as rent money. Other goals, whatever the case might be, you can put this table here to basically track the amounts and put the monies in your saving box for these individual items. So a budget planner, you plan your months effectively so that you don't go above your budget. You even had an enjoyment budget too, right? So that you can stick to it. Beautiful. Then on the monthly tab, you get to track your income, your expense, and this expense has its own category, income has its own category. So this is January. I'm filling some details here, and it tracks everything fresh. Now let's do February. This is a big claim. So how much did you get in? You just collected your salary first of the month. 300,000. That's correct. Okay. 102 300,000. Beautiful. So what is it? Income. You don't click on this expense category, click on the income category. So you click on it, what is there? Salary. Right? You can add a description. For example, you had an expense, groceries, that's your food, veggies, whatever. You can write a description here about yam or monthly grocery shopping. So this is basically for description. And when you get your income, you put it that. So you did like 50,000 for the groceries, right? Now, the reason why 50,000 naira is showing you as savings is because in January, we saved 50,000. Look at it, savings 50,000. Now, so this money is still remaining in your savings account. You've not touched it. If you want to withdraw the money now, right, you can take 30,000 naira out of the savings and put here income, savings, come here, savings withdraw. Automatically debit your savings. You know, it's only 20,000 naira remaining in your savings. Capiche? And if you want to save, you want to save 50,000 for instance now from the 300,000 salary, right? You come here, you click on expense, category, savings. Even if it's investment you want to click on, there's an investment category. See, it gets updated here. If it's your savings, it gets updated here too. So it tracks everything automatically. Now let's put this as investment, right? If you go back to the dashboard, you see it's all aligned there. The month of February, we invested 50,000 naira. January, it was 300 based on what's here. 300. February, it was 50,000. And it tracks everything automatically. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. So yeah, that is how it works. You can start using it. And you can even add more categories to this. Although this is like general, but you can add more. Click on this button. You can add even more categories. And it's very flexible. It works on phone. It works on your laptop. So it works really great. You can track everything cleanly and you know how much you made at the end of the year, even down to the month. So this is the income that came in January, February. This is the expense. This is the balance. Do you get? We track everything very clean. So that is how it works. So one last thing, if you're a business owner and want something like this customized for your business, you can just hit on the WhatsApp button anywhere on the screen, on the bottom of the screen, and comment business, and it will help you customize something like this. Yeah. So I'll see you inside.